Okay, let's see, what have we got to, looks like we're gonna work on some venting systems. Okay, first I'm gonna outline this type of venting layout, and then I'm gonna go to the next one because of a change that we're gonna need to make. Okay, so with this fixture there's a certain routing that we're gonna want to take, and so for this first one I'm gonna do is just gonna come out with no slope, and we're checking all of our parameters. Looks like everything's okay. I'm gonna come out to about right here, okay, and change this elevation to 11 again. Right, come around, everything's good. So we're gonna go up in the ceiling. We could go in this chase, but we're gonna go out and make it look I'm not gonna, okay, to make it look I don't know, printable. Let's say printable. So that's at 11, and we're gonna pick up all of these other fixtures. Okay, I'm trying to see where I can tie into. Looks like I can tie in. I'm gonna continue all the way over and tie into this riser. Okay, okay, let's go here, and looks like our parameters are in sync with everything. I'm just gonna make a second check here, so it looks like everything's okay, and I'm going to go out to about right there, change my elevation to 11 again, come out at 135 so that I can make this fit. Right, okay, remember our fit, and let's extend this pipe to that pipe. Okay, and do the same for the third urinal. Okay, what have we got? Okay, come here, and we can go up again. 11, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I don't know, music is kind of in my blood. Okay, so we can continue here, but what we found out was what we can do is tie these two, which the contractor would probably do. Instead of making all these connections, we would tie in here, and here. Okay, so with all of this connection, what we would do, and of course this would be tied into here, and then we come in the next Monday morning or Tuesday morning and find out, oh, we need to change it, so I'm going to delete all of this vent. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, again, we're going to tie these two so that they are coming off of the same riser. Okay, so here I'm going to make a change. I think I can, let's delete. So we're actually editing. We're in kind of like an editing mode. Okay, so we go here and go to our section, right? And I think we're on the first floor. So what we need to do is tie in here on the riser from this urinal. Okay, instead of making all that other connection, this other piping, okay, that would go to waste, right? And we don't want that. So we go back and tie and connect into our fitting, our plumbing fixture, and make sure that we are in line with this riser. Now it could work. I'm gonna drag it and see what happens. That's gonna be the wrong fitting, because the fitting that I need is gonna be a reducer. Right now it's on T reducing vent. That's the one I want. Okay, I thought it gave me another fitting just a little while ago. There, that's the one I want. Okay, so that I lucked out on that. Okay, and we're gonna do the same. Let's put this elbow back in here. Okay, and go back to the other two fixtures and look at that section and do the same thing. Hopefully it's one fixture is lined up with the other one, and we can just tie into with our fitting. Okay, so the reason we're doing that is because it's less piping, right? Now, okay, so we go back and look at another section, the final section, and this one won't be aligned, right? This one won't work. The other two work, but this one's gonna mess up, right? Oh, okay. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All of our vents are okay. Yeah, okay. And so, okay. So let's see if, okay, that's good. These 4. So let's go and see if we're looking at our fixture units. Make sure everything is counting. Is everything counting? Yeah, we got count. We got count. We're still alive, guys. We're still alive. Let's go here. Okay. Just thinking about that movie. Crimson Tide. What's it? Denzel and what's the guy's name? I can see him, Gene Hackman. And the guy said, "Falls now. We need that." Oh, yeah, that's a good movie. But you gotta get that radio fix, man. You gotta get that radio fix. And he got that signal. Oh my God. Woo, boy. Got that signal. Okay. So we got our fittings, we got our vent, and we are looking at our pulse, and the pulse said what was it? 41? Okay, we got a pulse of 41. Okay, I'm gonna go back for those of you who don't know who 41 is. 41 was the fixed unit pulse. Okay, so let me go back. Okay. So we got that, and I think that what I was gonna do next was do my southern layout. Okay. So we got let me look, see what's going on here. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Let me look at my notes here. So we come over to our second wall, and we're gonna make sure that our floor drain venting is toward the wall, right? Okay, so we're gonna start here. It's our floor drain on the other side, okay? And we're gonna make sure that we got everything vent. And I think that I'm not able to change at this, I don't know, function, or this at this I don't know what you call it, what that would be called. But I have to get out of that. I have to get out of that mode, in order to change the system type. So I don't know why it won't change while I'm in that mode, but maybe in Revit 2025 it'll change. Who knows? But anyway, so this is the floor drain here, PVC piping, and we're going to change that to our P-trap, right? We're going to use that, and from here, if we go back and look at, I'm just going to take a look here. My notes here and see. Okay, so what we're going to do is from here and go to the first floor. After connecting on our section, okay, go to the first floor, and I think I'm gonna slope down. Sometimes I don't like to slope down, or it's up to you, especially in a pipe chase. I wouldn't slope anything in this pipe chase, because why? I mean, it's not real. So from the section view, we make the plan view active and we click here, okay, and we're going to slope down at 3 inches, okay. And so we go down 3 inches here, and let's just put this back in the wall because our pipe from our laboratories are going to be sloped, okay. And back here, let's just put a clean out. Okay, we're going to slope up. Okay, and just put it maybe there. Okay, and cap it. And again, we're going to need a combination because it's a horizontal. It doesn't have to be. I mean, you can leave it like this, but you know, I mean, I don't know. It's just practice. Just the two things that I think are important if you're gonna do this. There's so many standards to use. I don't know. This may be something that may be a pet peeve of mine, but there's so many standards. You can use it because, again, the only important part of this exercise for us, maybe at this level, is the fixture units, you know. And regardless of whether this is a combination or whether it's a sanitary tee, it doesn't matter. As long as the fittings or the heartbeat, right, is being counted, you know, that's going to be 2, whether it's a combination or whether it's a T reducing vent. This fixture unit will count as 2, okay? But in practice, you know, I mean, the engineer or whoever the designer is may say, why are you putting that? Or you may have a bill of materials, right? So I don't know, you know. It depends on what Revit is going to give you. Will determine, you know, what kind of information will be in your model, right? Or how you're going to get that, or who wants what, you know, meaning what structure. It's too much. It's too much. Get your fixture units and call it a day. Get your fixture units and call it a day. Because something is going to go wrong. I think that I can fit. Is that enough room? You know, instead of me moving that to the east, I'm going to move these to the west. Right? Because I was looking at okay, so anyway, let's go here. Let's go here, and we go to our section. Okay, so we got that, and let me, you know, let's go back and pin these laboratories. Okay, so they are pin section. Okay, so I think we're on easy street now, right, guys? We go clockwise. Make sure everything's good. Sanitary. Yeah. Here. Okay. And again, we get our P-trap. Okay. That's why I don't like for that to be. Let's see. pipe 1 is aligned with pipe 2. Okay. So we go here, second laboratory. We're operating now, guys, right? Operating on the patient. Okay, so we got this guy. Go here, here. No slope, right? Okay, here. And just off center just a little bit so we can get a good feel for how we're gonna align with our 3-inch. Okay. I think I'm gonna change those 3 to a 2-inch. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, and again we're gonna align 1 pipe. Let's do this again because I don't think I got that. Okay, that pipe and align with our pipe tail, or that's not a, okay, that pipe piece, I guess, tail piece. Okay, let's go, and again we're gonna go here, third person. Okay, we go here, and let's go here and off center a little bit, right? Come down and get our P-trap, and this is gonna be over in just a few minutes. So again, we're gonna align 1 pipe with another, right? And I'm gonna go here and change these to 2-inch. Okay, and here 2-inch, 2. Yeah, okay. Now and we keep, let's see what the default is. Let's just make sure that we got our default. Okay, I'm gonna change this just out of practice, you know. I mean, I think it's good to use, you know, what you can, what you know is correct. There's other things to look at, but that's not my that's not there's too much time. Okay, let's do this. Here's Revit. 1, 2, 3. What happened? Let's go back. Let's go back. I'm gonna delete this one and this guy too. Right, that one. And let's go to the first floor here, because sometimes you know, for some reason that didn't work, and I don't know why. Let's go here. Are we gonna changing that to a 2-inch? Nope. Let's go down. Sanitary, right here, and we are gonna go here. Yes. Okay. And yeah, I think this might have been the one here, there, everywhere. 3D. Now let's make that connection again after changing this to a 2-inch, and let's make that connection. Oh no. Nice. Okay, and we're counting our heartbeat. Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop here, guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.